I've got good news. We're gonna start a candy factory, and we're gonna call it the Base 4 Candy Factory. We're gonna make a lot of money, okay? Just you, me, the rest of our class. And here's what I want you to envision. I want you to envision that at this candy factory, people order chocolates. And think about if you've ever walked into like Godiva or some kind of place, or even the grocery store, sometimes they'll sell like little truffles, and you can put them in boxes. So here are the boxes in our Base 4 Candy Factory. You can see that we have units, just one box by itself. We have longs, which is a box of 4. We have flats, which is a box of 16. And then we have cartons, which is a box of 64. So to simplify things, because I don't feel like drawing, I have written some lines here with all of my different options of boxes. Okay, so again, I've got the single, a box of 4, box of 16, box of 64. I could keep going, right? I could think of this as a box of 256. And if you're wondering, where's the math coming from? Let me show you. So I could keep going to 4 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 5, etc., etc. So now I want you to envision that you're working in the shipping department, kind of like Amazon, but way better, and lots of free chocolate. Hopefully y'all like chocolate. So you're down at the shipping bay, and I take an order, and I call in and say, okay, we've got someone that has ordered 14 candies. So they want to have 14 candies shipped. I want you to think about what options of boxes do we have for these 14 candies. Okay, so one option is we could put them all in single boxes. But we're hoping to make money, right? So if I put them all into individual boxes and we pay for shipping to ship one candy for each box, are you seeing this is going to be a problem? Okay, that's a bad plan. So when we're thinking about how we want to package these, I really need to put them in the largest box possible, right? But here's the catch. The box has to be able to be totally filled up. So you might be thinking, well, can't we put our 14 candies in the box of 16 and just have 2 empty spots? No, not allowed. We want our boxes to always be full. So I have 14 candies. That's my order, right? Okay, so I'm thinking about what box I can fill. So I see that I can for sure fill a box of 4. So I'm going to fill up that box. Here's my one box of 4. And now I have 10 candies left. I know that I can fill up another box of 4. So I'm going to subtract out another box of 4. And now I have 6 candies left. I can fill up one more box of 4. And now I have 2 candies left. When I'm thinking about how many boxes of 4 do I need, I can count them, right? 1, 2, 3. So I know that I need 3 boxes of 4, but then don't forget, we still have these 2 candies left over. So those are going to have to go in individual boxes. So I'm going to need 2 of the individual boxes. When I'm thinking about 14 candies, 14 is really my base 10 number. So now when I think about what I'm packaging it in our candy factory, I know that I'm going to need 3 boxes of 4, 2 singles. We are going to refer to this as a base 4 number. So we're going to call it not 32 base 4, that would be base 10. We're going to call it 32 base 4. Okay. Let's try one more just so you get your feet wet with our candy factory situation. So now someone's called in and they've ordered 24 candies. I call down to the shipping department and I say, okay, 24 candies, what boxes are we gonna need? Again, I want you to think about what is the largest box that we can fill. We wanna make the most money that we can. Can we make a box of 64? No. It won't be full all the way. How about a box of 16? Yes, we can, right? So I'm going to fill up my box of 16. Now I need to subtract, and I know that 24 minus 16 leaves me with 8 candies left over. Now you might be thinking, great, I'll put them all in individual boxes, but wait, are you paying too much postage? Think about that, right? So again, I know that I can fill up one box of 16. Can I fill up another box of 16? No, I don't have enough. What about a box of 4? Could I fill up a box of 4? Yes, I could fill up a box of 4. That's going to leave me with 4 left over. Now you might be tempted to say, okay, I'll put one box of 4 here and 4 individual boxes there. But wait a minute, can these 4 individual boxes actually be packaged as a group of 4? They can, right? So this would be incorrect. You can see that I've now got my correct order for 24 candies. That would be 120 base 4. Remember, if you're wondering where that's coming from, I've got my box of 16 here that I was able to fill. I've got a box of 4, and I have none left over. Notice that I'm still going to say I have 0 unit boxes. The reason I'm going to say that is because if I just write 12 base 4, that's going to tell me that I need 1 box of 4 and 2 individual boxes. So it's really important that I have this 0 there to let the future person know that we don't need any individual unit boxes. What about if we go the other direction? If I told you the boxes that were used, could you tell me how many candies were ordered? Let's give it a try. Take a look at this number. I have 1010 base 4. That was the boxes that needed to be used to fill the order. Let's figure out how many candies were actually ordered. First thing I want to do is I want to put this onto my chart here so that I can see what boxes they actually used. Right away, I see that they used 1 box of 64. So I'm going to write that 64 candies. They didn't use any 16 boxes, but they did use 1 box of 4. And then they didn't use any unit boxes. I can see that 68 candies were ordered for the boxes 1010 base 4. I hope this gives you a better idea of how to interpret the candy factory, and let's make some money selling chocolate.